This time of year, though, this is when we stay right here in town because things get really good. In fact, today the weather is literally going to be sunny and perfect for doing something like hiking. Temperatures are in the 50s, starting to push into the 60s right now. Be at about 67 by lunchtime and 74 for that afternoon high today. Air quality is actually doing okay. We're in the moderate category for coarse and fine particles. Ozone is in the low category, not typically a problem this time of year. Moderate meaning no watches or warnings in terms of our air quality. But I'm going to tell you here, this is a live look toward downtown. And what you can see here is that brown cloud starting to form. Usually it's worse during the morning hours when the colder air kind of traps that near the surface. As we warm up, we'll see some improvement. But right now it's still 57 degrees and our winds are pretty light. So not a lot of mixing either with the winds. The winds will pick up tonight and into tomorrow with a cold front sinking south into Arizona. Skies are clear across our region right now, and likely they're going to stay mostly clear because any snow with this is going to stay to the north of Arizona. It's a dry, cold front for us. Let's talk a little more about the winds as that front pushes toward Arizona. It's going to move in tonight, but even with the approach of that, look at this afternoon how these winds start to pick up. 20-30 mile per hour sustained winds in western Arizona. Breezy in Flagstaff, Winslow, Show Low, eastern Arizona. The mountain communities of our state are going to feel that breeziness today. Now in the valley, overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning, we'll get some breeziness. This number doesn't really show it, but you see those yellows, those oranges here. That's highlighting those higher elevations, the foothill spots north and east of town. We're going to get some breeziness tomorrow morning, and that keeps temperatures from falling off too much, even though we've just had a cold front push through. So what this means is tomorrow afternoon, winds ease up. We're going to see temperatures drop to the 60s tomorrow. Winds are going to drop off tomorrow as well. And then without those winds, Wednesday morning, that's when we get our coldest temperatures. So right now we have a freeze watch in effect south of the valley. So this is Maricopa down through Casa Grande and Arizona City. Wednesday morning, you're going to see some temperatures near freezing. We also have a wind advisory today and tomorrow for northwestern Arizona. For the Valley Metro area, we get one day out of this system in the 60s, and that's going to be tomorrow. That'll be our coolest day this week. But I want to first alert you again to Wednesday morning, where 42 is our forecast low for in-town Phoenix. So most valley neighborhoods are going to be colder than that in the upper 30s. Low 70s for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Mid 70s return just in time for your weekend.